keep getting the 0xE3010504 error when playing the First Descendant on your PC? No need to worry, because in this video I'll show you how you can fix this error and get back into the game. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the solutions. Solution 1. Run the game as administrator. To do this, first open Steam on your computer, then go to your Library tab. Now right click on the First Descendant from here, and hover over Manage and click on Browse Local Files. Now right click on the First Descendant executable file from here and select Properties. Then switch to the Compatibility tab. From here, check the Run this program as administrator, then hit Apply and then on OK. Now go to the M1 folder and then to the Binaries folder. Next, open the Win64 folder and right click on M1-Win64-shipping file and select Properties. Just like before, switch to the Compatibility tab and check the Run this program as administrator. Then click Apply and then click on OK. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Verify game files. To do this, open Steam on your computer. Then go to your Library tab. After that, right click on the First Descendant and select Properties. Now click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now, Steam will verify the game files. Once that's done, restart your computer and the error should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the error code 0xE3010504 in the First Descendant on your computer. If the video helped you out, then don't forget to smash that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.